Now, one thing about these comments are, it's pretty bad if your comments are longer than the actual code lines. If you're a computer science student or a programmer, you've most likely thought about your very first lab or your first programming project and thought about how cringy it was from where you first started to where you are now. Well, we all need to start somewhere, and we've definitely grown over the years. It's always nice to look back and see where we first started. And in this video, I'm doing exactly that with my freshman year programming labs for literally my first programming experience ever. Hey guys, I'm Josh. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing kind of a reaction video to my very first programming labs in my freshman year of college. As usual, before the video even starts, if you could please leave a like on the video. It really helps a small channel like mine grow, as well as hit the subscribe button if you do want to see more videos like this, computer science related, as well as technology and PC related. And without further ado, let's go take a look at what we first started. So what we're going to be looking at today is my very first coding class, my Python 100 level class. One thing my teacher did was we could submit our labs on Microsoft Word by just copying the code and then pasting it into there, because GitHub as a freshman, I don't know. That's what we're going to do today. So all this stuff is here on PyCharm still, luckily, because I'm just using the same computer that I had when I was a freshman. So we'll start off with lab 2 because week 1 was just like really nothing to it. So over here we can see it's an average grade calculator, wage calculations, bus fare, album, and overall, nothing too crazy. We just have like a little print statement, a little calculation thing going on here with some output. Not too shabby actually, not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I'm just going to open up the PyCharm as well, and then we'll just go to like the earliest one that I have, chapter 2, why not? Let's go ahead and try and run something. Okay, so it definitely ran. I knew, week 2 me, definitely knew what was going on probably.
You very smart.
Wonder if albums were on. Okay, you have 68 albums, huh? And calculated right here. Some good naming conventions and comments. I wish I still kept doing those comments like I did as a freshman, but when it's not 100% necessary, it's definitely, okay, I'll just do a Java doc or something and just leave it. So, I don't know. We go to lab 4. Lab 4 is nothing. Lab 5. Got some nice if statements going on here for this if1 penny program. This program asks you to enter an integer, number of cents. Let's try running this one real quick. Let's see if this does. We have 100 pennies. Okay, we have $1. Still works. Guess I didn't do the while one. Dice roll random. I just want to keep going. Go again, push Y. What happens if I do a capital Y? Okay, just exits. Average rainfall. Again, we're doing some great comments over here. I wish I still kept doing that, but it is what it is. Let's go ahead and try running this one. Number of years, 5. Oh. 6, 7. Okay, so we have an infinite loop here. It seems like it's not stopping. Okay. It happens. Not too bad though. I mean, at least it was taking input. Pennies for pay. 5 days. Oh. This works well. Look at this output. Nice little table. All in lab 5, which is like week 5 or 6 probably. I don't know if we started with like a lab 0 for the very first one, but okay, so moving up a little bit, we're going to week 8. We have a couple things in here. Let's do the rock, paper, scissors and see if this one runs. I'm guessing I did not finish this one. Anyway, distance traveled. Let's try this. So we're going 60 miles. Hours, 2. Not bad. Let's go ahead and try this one. This program will select restaurant based on their diet. Once again, I wish I kept these comments going. Run week 8. Yes. No. I wonder if anything changes if we do, or am I just printing out everything? I don't know. From what I can tell, oh, maybe I didn't get to that part yet. We got close. We have all the if statements in place. Yeah, I don't know. Now, one thing about these comments are, it's pretty bad if your comments are longer than the actual code lines. So maybe that's a little too much commenting, but I'm sure as a freshman, the professor wanted me and the other students to just comment as much as possible and make sure that we're doing that stuff. But obviously, we don't need to know what this print is doing or what these variables are, something like that. So I don't think there was a final project for this one. So I'll just go ahead and take a look at week 16 and see what we have in here. And we'll count this as like the final project for freshman year. Our freshman year first semester, or whatever this was. And what does this do? This program will give a list of 20 multiple choice answers and display the correct and wrong answers. So we've got the correct answers. Looks like we're taking a file in with some answers here. Just a text file, it looks like. And you passed if you get over 75, else you don't pass. So let's go ahead and run it. I hope this one works actually. Now, maybe that's just me with throughout the updates and stuff, but in the week 16 lab over here, if we go ahead and open this while it's loading. Okay, so we've got the lab pulled up, and we'll just chalk it into it ran before and it's not running now, so I don't know. But so we've got everything over here, pretty much the same correct answers. Looks like we did get some sort of error, but somehow we also got some output, correct, wrong. Maybe I had to do something to make it run. It wasn't running normally, so I don't know. We still got this 16 out of 18, you passed the exam with the stuff that we had. So, 16 out of 18, why not? We'll just see if this vowels and consonants one works. I don't really know what this is doing again. Vowels and consonants and string. Let's go ahead and run this. Enter a sentence or a word. We'll just enter in channel name. Okay, so it prints the string. There is an infinite loop going on. So we can't do that. So it is an infinite loop, but it's still working. Number of vowels 5, number of consonants 5. Joshua, Boaz. Yeah. Somehow, yeah. Let's do another word. So table. Table should be 2. Okay, we get 3. Maybe we're missing a -1 somewhere. I don't know. But then again, this was freshman year, and if any output, and I mean honestly, if we're getting any output that is not throwing errors, was probably some sort of miracle, and I definitely was happy about that. So guys, I hope this was kind of fun for you guys, taking a look back at what my very first programming labs and assignments were like for freshman year, and you might have kind of the similar or same experience if you did computer science. If you want to see more videos on me doing, let's say, sophomore year and then junior year, and then I'm a senior now, so we'll take a look at what I'm doing now. We can make it kind of like a 4-part series and just go through different labs, and I have final projects and stuff starting sophomore year, so we can take a look at that stuff and just see how much I've grown. Might be just a cool idea, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I haven't really seen too many people do something like this, so I don't know, I just wanted to share my experience, I guess. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Have a good one.